On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, MiniTruck? All that horsepower kicking up these rocks, Mini. I need you today, girl. Gotta get some gas, and we're gonna return some batteries. See how much money we get for all the batteries we've accumulated. Then we'll start getting rid of some of that steel in the back.
But wait!
There's more. I forgot to get wipers again. See, they dropped the pole off. I thought I had more batteries back here. All this crap is gonna get going. Gotta clean up brown here. Oh, wrong door. Sorry, Minnie. Not as many batteries as I thought. Let's see how much money we get for those. Better with the wind, this DJI Nano. Whoa, settle down, Minnie. Batteries?
Yeah, hold on, one second.
Well, he was here before me. He was here before me.
How many batteries?
A bunch of them. You used to weigh them. I don't know how you do it now.
Yeah, you guys wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a scale.
Oh, that's a scale? That's how long it's been since I've been here.
Yeah.
That van was here before me. I didn't know he was waiting though.
You have to weigh this, it's 230 pounds.
Okay.
You guys weigh in the batteries, right? 230 pounds.
That's it.
Alright, boss. You got number this for you, alright?
Thank you. Thank you.
Just go in the office now.
Yep, I'll see you. Thank you. 230 pounds of batteries. What's that gonna bring us, boys? You want my ID, right? I got that little mini truck.
Yeah, it's a nice truck.
Thanks. I see you guys get them sometimes. You had one a little while ago you were working on. I was talking to,
Oh yeah, he sold it.
Did he?
That's really nice actually. There you go.
Thanks. Have a good day. So what do we get, boys? Oh, we got... Would have been better off bringing them into Walmart for like, what is it? $8 or $10 a shot. Wrong side. Big dummy. Now we'll go get some gasolina. Yeah, we're going back. 380. That's way better. Oh no, the 5.0. I guess the mobile here is the same price as in Kent. Alright. I don't know, something's wrong with both of my chips, I guess. Could I do tap on here?
On number 4?
The mini truck.
Yeah, I think it's on now.
Oh, it took it on?
Yeah.
The second one it did?
Say over here it's on.
Okay.
It works. You want me to come check it out?
I thought it said fail when I put it in. I'll try.
Just press the continue, it should be work.
Alright, I'll try it.
Wait, you can use it again.
Try it. I've been having problems with both of these chips.
It's supposed to do that, but...
If you have tap inside.
Yeah, I got tap inside.
I got all these
Okay,
too.
I'm gonna start it up the pump, you fill up.
When I fill up, I'll come in?
Yeah.
Alright. I know you're not supposed to fill them in the back of the truck or whatever. I'll ground myself on Mini. Yeah, I put a supercharger on it too.
They are cool, I was gonna get one.
Yeah, they banned them in New York. They took the registration. I got a bunch of friends that do YouTube. They recalled the plates and everything. But then I just saw some girl on Instagram that had one registered. Nanny state shit, you know. Oh, do you? I know Pete. He runs the garage over here too.
Oh, okay, yeah, now I know each other.
Good talking with you.
You too, brother.
I don't even know how much it was. There. Now we can pay.
Do landscaping?
No. YouTube. Yeah, debit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Mini, those batteries did not pay for the gas. Sorry. Mini truck, you're awful horny today. See if that cop is still there. There he is. You don't get out enough, Mini truck. Everybody's asking about you. They should know who you are. Thanks again, Mini truck.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.